Welcome to HeatSign. Today, we'll show you how to mark QR codes on non-woven bags using our dual laser marking machine. First, rotate the emergency stop switch and power on the machine. Click the QR code icon, choose the code type, and adjust the line spacing. Make sure to select the Blu-ray laser. Next, configure your marking parameters, speed, power, frequency, based on your material and application. Scale the QR code to fit the layout of the non-woven bag precisely. Place the bag securely on the workbench and press start. The laser will accurately mark your QR code. Here's the result, a crisp, scannable QR code, marked efficiently and permanently. Contact us today to request your free sample test.